What if I told you that you could write Python code twice as fast without memorizing every single syntax, without spending hours on Stack Overflow, and without getting stuck on errors for days? In this video, I am going to show you exactly how I use ChatGPT to write Python code faster, fix bugs in seconds, and understand complex concepts instantly. Whether you are a complete beginner or an intermediate programmer, these 5 techniques are going to completely change the way you code. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will never struggle with Python the same way again. Hello, and welcome back to Soft Hack Coding Karwan, the channel where we learn programming the practical way by building real things. I am your host Shahzaib, and today I am going to show you 5 powerful ways to use ChatGPT to write Python code faster, fix errors instantly, and understand complex concepts easily. These techniques work whether you are a complete beginner or an intermediate programmer. So let us get straight into it. Okay, so the first and most powerful way to use ChatGPT for Python is simply asking it to generate code for you. Instead of spending hours writing code from scratch, you just describe what you want in simple English and ChatGPT writes it for you instantly. For example, I just typed, "Write a Python script that sends an automatic email every morning." And look at what ChatGPT gave me: a complete, working Python script with proper imports, email configuration, scheduling, and even instructions on how to set it up. This would have taken a beginner at least 2 to 3 hours to research and write. ChatGPT did it in seconds. The key is to be specific in your prompt. Instead of saying write a Python script, say exactly what you want it to do. The more specific you are, the better the code you get. The second technique is one that every programmer needs, using ChatGPT to fix errors instantly. We all know that feeling: you write code, you run it, and suddenly a big red error appears on the screen. For beginners, this can be really frustrating and confusing. But here is what I do now. I simply copy the error message, paste it into ChatGPT, and say, "I got this error in my Python code, how do I fix it?" And ChatGPT instantly explains exactly what went wrong and gives you the corrected code. For example, in my previous expense tracker video, I had a type error because I forgot to wrap values in square brackets. Instead of spending 30 minutes searching Google, I could have just pasted that error into ChatGPT and got the fix in seconds. This alone will save you hours of frustration every single week. The third technique is extremely useful for beginners, using ChatGPT to explain code that you do not understand. Many times you find code online or in a tutorial and you have no idea what each line is actually doing. Instead of being confused, just paste that code into ChatGPT and say, "Explain this Python code line by line in simple words," and ChatGPT will break down every single line and explain exactly what it does in plain English that anyone can understand. No complicated technical terms, no confusion. For example, I was paste our email automation script and asked ChatGPT to explain it. Look at the response. It is explaining every single line clearly and simply. This is like having a personal Python teacher available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, completely free. This technique is perfect for understanding code, learning faster, and building your confidence as a programmer. The fourth technique is something even intermediate programmers use, asking ChatGPT to improve your existing code. Maybe your code works, but it is messy, slow, or too long. Just paste your code into ChatGPT and say, "How can I improve this Python code and make it cleaner and more efficient?" ChatGPT will rewrite your code in a better way: shorter, cleaner, faster, and more professional. It will also explain what changes it made and why. For example, I was paste our expense tracker code and asked ChatGPT to improve it. Look at the response. It is suggesting better ways to structure the code, adding error handling, and making it more professional. This is exactly how real developers work. They write code first, then improve it. And ChatGPT makes that improvement process 10 times faster. Even if your code is already working, always ask ChatGPT how it can be improved. You will learn something new every single time. And the fifth and final technique is one that every beginner struggles with: finding project ideas. Most beginners know Python basics but have no idea what to build. They get stuck and stop learning altogether. Here is what I do. I simply ask ChatGPT, give me 10 beginner Python project ideas that are practical and useful in real life. And look at what comes back: a complete list of real, useful, buildable projects with descriptions. But it gets even better. Once you find an idea you like, you can immediately ask ChatGPT to help you build it. Just say, help me build this project step by step. And ChatGPT becomes your personal coding mentor, guiding you through every single step. This is exactly how I got the ideas for my attendance system and expense tracker, by asking AI for practical project suggestions, and then building them. So if you ever feel stuck and do not know what to build next, just ask ChatGPT. It will never run out of ideas. And those were the 5 powerful ways to use ChatGPT to write Python code faster. Let me quickly recap. Number 1. Generate code instantly. Number 2. Fix errors in seconds. Number 3. Explain confusing code. Number 4. Improve your existing code. And Number 5. Get unlimited project ideas. By these 5 techniques will completely transform the way you learn and write Python. Save this video so you can come back to it whenever you need. If this video helped you, please hit the like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe if you want more practical Python and AI tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Drop a comment below. Tell me which technique you found most useful. See you in the next one.